Today's episode is brought to you by our partner, classic and collector vehicle insurer, Open Road. You've probably seen all the buzz in the media talking about how classic car owners are flocking to Open Road Insurance, with countless customer testimonials calling out significant savings on better coverage. With Open Road, you get agreed value coverage with many other protections tailored to collector cars, like zero deductible windshield repair or replacement, tools and spare parts coverage, as well as repairs with OEM parts and your shop of choice. Are you a member of a car club or already have classic car insurance? Good news, you're eligible for additional discounts. Visit openroadautoinsurance.com today and see how much you might be saving.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. We're still here at the Barrett-Jackson 2025 Scottsdale Auction, and I'm standing next to this gorgeous red-roped 1969 Dodge Daytona. This thing was purpose-built for NASCAR back in the day, and it was created just to dominate. It wanted to be the most aerodynamic thing. It wanted to be more aerodynamic than the old Charger 500. This thing had a drag coefficient of just 0.28, which was one of the most aerodynamic cars of its time. So to qualify for NASCAR, Dodge had to produce 500 street legal versions. This led to the creation of the Daytona. It became the first NASCAR to break the 200 mile per hour barrier. So what exactly made the Daytona so special? Well, obviously it's so aerodynamic with that long pointed nose cone, the massive rear wing, all manufactured and engineered for downforce and stability at those really high speeds they were racing at. The nose cone alone reduced the drag significantly compared to the standard Charger. You also could get a legendary powertrain option. You could get the 426 Hemi V8 or the 440 Magnum, both legends in their own right. As we look at the engine, check this thing out, beautiful. This was a multi-year project and it had one objective: produce this car as closest as it can be to factory specifications, but still incorporating some modern performance upgrades. So that included upgrading the engine to a 542 cubic inch Hemi, producing 631 horsepower. It's paired with an upgraded manual transmission, which delivers the power to a Dana 60 series axle with 410 gears. It's got Molnar stroker crank, diamond pistons, H-beam rods, and a custom hydraulic camshaft, obviously all contributing to this thing's high output. Taking a look back, looking at this gorgeous exterior, off the bat, I mean, one of the first things you'll ever notice for one of these cars is going to be the nose cone. It's extended nearly 18 inches beyond the standard Charger grille. And the paint, another really cool thing about this vehicle. It's believed to be one of just 3 remaining in this A4 silver metallic paint with the black tail stripe. In terms of suspension, there has been some modern enhancements: fast ratio steering, UMI A-arms, Bilstein shocks, Caltrac traction bars, and it also has a Hotchkiss lowered suspension, which lowers the front 2 inches and the rear by 1, definitely giving this a nice stance to it. We do have disc brakes all around, ceramic pads, and this thing rides on custom-made 17-inch replicas of the factory Magnum 500 style road wheels, done of course in Belay. Pairing together on this exterior looks so nice. Now as you come down to the rear in black, we have that massive rear wing positioned 23 inches above the trunk, and yes, the trunk still opens even with that giant wing on the back. As we look at the interior, you'll notice a very driver-focused cockpit. It was originally designed for function over form, NASCAR racing. It has the bucket seats, the floor shifter, and just pretty straightforward gauges. But when this restoration was going on, they paid special attention to the interior. Most everything is new. You get a 4-speed console that was added when the transmission was updated, vintage air system, and it still has that original OEM look. It looks very nice. The gauges, very pretty as well. Now, many of these came with premium options like wood grain accents and AM radios, which is pretty cool, so still some functionality if you wanted to drive something like this on the street. Another interesting thing to note is that the Daytona was so dominant that NASCAR changed the rules, limiting wing cars' engine displacement to 305 cubic inches by 1971, effectively ending their reign. Now, over $650,000 has been invested in this thing. We are very excited to see what it's going to go for here at Barrett-Jackson. Now, I would love to hear what you guys think about it down below in the comments. Do you prefer the Dodge Daytona for a winged car, or do you prefer the Plymouth Superbird? Me, I think I kind of like the Superbird just a little bit more. Nonetheless, very cool car. That's it from me, guys. Remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com. That's going to be our online marketplace with over 38,000 live listings on the site. So go on over there, get a collector car for yourself. If you're more interested in the auction style of buying, selling vehicles, check out our sister website at AutoHunter.com. That'll be our 7-day online auction. Again, that's it from me, and we'll see y'all in the next video.